Hi, everybody. I'm Rob Brown, and this is the wonderful Martin Bissett. We are co-hosts of the Accounting Influencers podcast, and the show's been running with me for a couple of years. We've done 170 or so episodes, but I'm thrilled to have on board with me the legend that is Martin Bissett. Martin, you've been in this game a while, haven't you?
23 years and counting, Rob. And so legend's probably more like legend at this point. But if anybody's wondering who's Martin Bissett, well, that guy. So we've got a podcast for you guys, and that's hardly an original idea. But if you've ever listened to an accounting podcast, you know that you perhaps aren't major hyped up at the end of it.
They're a bit boring, aren't they? They're a bit steady.
There's a little bit of Frank. So this is a little bit more high energy. It is built for accounting practitioners. It's built to be consumed in bite-sized chunks, and it's built to keep you current on what's going on. Tax legislation, will you find that here? Oh. What's happening to the future of your firm? Will you find that here? Oh, yes. How do we get past talent issues? What are Xero playing at this week? What's going on with private equity and accounting firms? This is what's going on. We take you out of your office, out of your silo, and give you a worldwide view on the profession as it happens. It's a daily show, and we'd love you to tune in.
Yeah, we have certain segments like news and here's what works. We have interviews with key vendors and experts to give you the lowdown. And on this Patreon link here, there's a couple of extra levels where we give you bonus content, full-length interviews. There's even some merch. So we're going big with this. It's going to be the world's #1 accounting and fintech podcast. And it's done in a radio show style, Martin, isn't it?
It is. Okay, so here are the stats. We're in 136 countries already. And I say already, but bear in mind that Rob's put 2 years into this already. So this was an established podcast. It simply had a little bit of a coat of paint. And now that those 136 countries are coming back to us with feedback. We're getting messages out to all different markets, whether they're emerging or established in accounting. And so what we do in the show is we give you the highlights. But here in Patreon, we give you the full deep dive. So for those of you who want to go a little bit more in depth into what's going on in the profession, how to position your firm for competitive advantage, then we have 2 packages here for you to take a look at, and we would love you to become a VIP.
And finally, one of the packages, the second one, gives you access to the best insights from our Accounting Influencer Roundtable, Martin, which is a group of 53 influencers currently that debate the hot topics in the accounting profession. And we give you a summary of the great things that they're talking about so you get ahead of the game. So it's great to have you as a listener. Thanks for looking at the Patreon levels, and we hope to have you as a VIP. But if not, just go to the show, Accounting Influencers. It's on all your podcast apps, and we have a website for it as well, and we'll put that link in too. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll hear from you on the show, because we also invite you to leave us a little voicemail message, give us some feedback if you'd like to do that as well. So on behalf of Martin and myself, thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. Have a fantastic day.